Creative thinking is a powerful tool for accelerating the learning process, no matter the subject. First, approach new material with curiosity, asking why and how instead of just memorizing facts. This mindset prompts you to make connections between new information and what you already know, strengthening retention. Use analogies and metaphors to reframe complex concepts in familiar terms. For example, if you're learning about electricity, imagine it as water flowing through pipes. This helps make abstract ideas more tangible. Mind mapping is another creative technique. Visually organize information with diagrams, linking related ideas to see the bigger picture and discover patterns. Challenge yourself to explain what you've learned in your own words or teach it to someone else. This forces you to think flexibly and fill in gaps in your understanding. Experiment with different learning formats, videos, podcasts, role play, or drawing to engage multiple senses and perspectives. Finally, embrace mistakes as opportunities for creative problem solving. When you get stuck, brainstorm alternative approaches or invent mnemonic devices to remember tricky details. By actively engaging your imagination and looking for novel ways to interact with information, you'll not only learn faster but also enjoy the process much more.